Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Perpetual Motion from Suzuki Violin Book number 2, tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the transcripts below and skip ahead. Tutorial. This one falls in between Witch's Dance and Gavotte from Mignon, and it is often skipped by students who are just learning it on their own using the book. Because it's not a major song, we did it in book 1, but important that you do it because it teaches us some cool stuff, some interesting things about shifting and transposition. What we need to learn is the B flat major fingering, starting with low 1, low 2, regular 3, low 4 on the A, and the same on the E string. Low 1, low 2, regular 3, low 4. And so the great thing about that is this is our major scale using fingers and no open strings. Once we learn the melody using these, we can transpose to regular first position here, second position, even third position, fourth, fifth, whatever. So that's the cool thing about it. Please, if you need to mark in the fingering, mark it. There are no open strings here. Let's play through and do it in the original key of B flat major and take it slowly. We don't need to do doubles because really the fingering is the most important thing, not the bow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, if you want to, let's do it one more step up. B natural. Ready, and. Okay, if you want to, go up another half step to C natural and keep shifting up and up and up. And you can also do it on different strings. The sky is the limit. Transposition. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!